Are you looking to decrease cost, optimize your inventory, and minimize downtime? If so, you may be interested in a Repair Plus service agreement. ES&E has partnered with Rockwell to simplify budgeting for all your repair services needs. The Repair Plus contract brings you all the benefits of Rockwell automation, remanufacturing services, and one standalone, simplified contract, which streamlines your repair order process with Rockwell automation assets. The Repair Plus service agreement offers two different plan options: Repair Plus Spin and Repair Plus Inclusive. Repair Plus Spin includes your desired repair spend while providing additional repair value beyond that spend. Repair Plus Inclusive gives you the ability to cover all your Rockwell automation repairs based on the value of an installed base evaluation. Along with leveraging Rockwell Automation's quality manufacturing service, you will receive a single contract for all your repair services with fixed monthly, quarterly, or annual billing options. You'll also benefit from additional incentives, which can reduce your overall spend and still maintain the standard warranty on all repairs based upon the service level selected. If you're looking for a simplified way to assist with repair budgeting and reduce your overall spend, then reach out to your ES&E account manager to get started with Repair Plus today.